you ask most people what color a carrot is, they will tell you orange. But in actual fact, the original carrots were purple or white. In the 17th century, selective breeding gave us different characteristics, including making them super thick, sweeter, and orange, which increased the beta-carotene, a vitamin that is important for healthy vision. Now, other colors are coming back into popularity, including purple, which indicates an anthocyanin. And that is a powerful antioxidant thought to have the potential to protect us from diseases and chronic conditions. And a carrot like this actually has comparable amounts of anthocyanins to blueberries. But what most people don't actually know is that carrot is in the parsley family, and they were originally grown for their seeds and leaves. It's really easy to prepare the greens. Clean them well and separate the leaves from the stalks. We're going to use the leaves for this dish, but the stalks can be frozen and added to your next soup stock. We are using about 4 cups of leaves here. Heat a few tablespoons of your oil of choice in a pan. Add 4 chopped cloves of garlic. Once it becomes golden and smells fragrant, add a pinch of red chili flakes. Feel free to add more if you like the heat. Cook for about 30 seconds to infuse it with the oil, but be sure not to burn it. Then add your carrot greens and stir until they are coated with the oil. Once they have cooked down, remove and serve as a delicious side dish. Let your creativity shine through. These greens can just as easily be tossed into a stir fry or made into a pesto. Eat the root, eat the greens, and then place that carrot top, cut side down, in a shallow dish with some clean water. Put it in a window or near a grow light and change the water daily, and those greens will resprout. You can transplant it into soil once they get growing if you like. This is a great project to do with kids and an easy way to grow more food for free. Or, if you prefer crafting to cooking, carrot greens can also be used as a natural fabric or yarn dye. Let us know in the comments below if you'd like to see more natural dye tutorials.